today we're gonna go ahead and do the oil pan gasket. I was just cleaning the threads for the head bolts a second ago. Just used those little pieces of paper towel and one of the head bolts to clean it. I'm going to be getting new bolts, so I don't really need my old ones. I'll probably hold on to them because they're reusable. Alright, just going to wipe this up one more time. A little bit of oil comes out of the motor. That's okay. I like to set the gasket on the pan and let it rest there for a little bit. Sometimes they fold these things up. This one wasn't actually like that, but it is very common, especially with Velcro. Alright, so I like to use ultra gray, but all I do is I put a bead on this spot right here, and you don't really want to go too thick. I do it over here on this side as well, and we're also going to do that on the block side of the oil pan gasket. There's our TV, both sides of the gasket. We're going to go ahead and put it on now. When you're tightening this down, you don't want to have this pushing out at all. That's how you try to help prevent it from leaking. Alright, I also like to smear this in. That way it's not a giant mess here. Well, oil pan is done. It's tightened up, not over tightened. It's only like something small, like 13 foot-pounds of torque or something. I don't know what it is. It's really small. So we just need to take this to the machine shop today and pick up my flywheel. And you also need to get the timing belt and the ARP head studs, and we can put everything back together. Thanks for watching, guys.